time to share the intelligence. Arriving in Brussels, ministers from the 7 countries directly involved in the horse meat investigation. Since January, when the first strains of horse DNA were discovered in a beef burger in Ireland, 18 countries have been forced to withdraw products that contain significant volumes of horse meat. Norway and Germany, the latest. The scale and complexity of the problem is now much greater than first envisaged.
There is more than one problem here in terms of one person or one entity, in my view. But again, we'll have to wait and see when we pull together all of the data from all of the investigations that are going on.
In fact, there were very few details given on where the investigation had got to. What we did get was a new plan to better understand just how widespread the problem had become. And so the European Commission has come up with a recommendation. From the 1st of March, there will be a new testing regime. First, the testing of all processed beef products for equine DNA. And secondly, the testing of horse meat across the Union for the banned chemical phenylbutazone, also known as boot. The new programme will run for 3 months alongside the existing testing regime in each member state. But will it be enough to restore fighting consumer confidence?
At this stage, we honestly don't know. But I think the meeting today showed complete determination to reassure the consumer that when they go and buy a processed beef product, they get beef and they don't get horse.
From the governments involved, there's been a lot of finger-pointing in recent weeks. On the ground, things are remarkably different. Polish inspectors working in Ireland, Irish inspectors in Poland. There are similar reciprocal arrangements between Britain and France and between France and Romania. The ministers agreed that in future there needs to be greater collaboration and sharing of data. That will start with the new 3-month testing programme. If it works, then by May we should know just how many of us have unknowingly eaten horse, and whether the reassurances that horse meat is safe is in fact correct.
I can't imagine
Christian
the US
Fraser,
ever
BBC
doing
News,
this. Who knows how
Brussels.
much of our meat has horse
Sources in the United States are saying the boards of American Airlines and US Airways have agreed to merge and create the world's